Hi, so I'll be demonstrating my ENME351 project. So basically, I've created a checkers board that will read the physical position of the board or positions of the pieces on the board and will convert that to a digital board through processing. In addition to this, I have a light sensor that when the user waves her hand over it, that'll indicate that a turn is completed. And it'll also actuate this servo right here, which is alternating between a wheel that has either black to move or green to move, which are the two colors of the of the chess pieces or the checkers pieces. We have green here and black here. So I'll just quickly demonstrate how this works with just two pieces. Or I'll use three. So I'll load up the program. So this board is actually flipped 180 degrees, so the perspective is from the other side of the board. But anyway, so I'll place a black piece first because black is the one that starts. So here I have it. I believe it should show up here, if I'm not mistaken. Or I'm sorry, it'll show up right here. Oh, I guess I was wrong. Anyway, so there you can see that the black piece showed up. Now a green piece, I'll put it right here. Yep. So you can see the two pieces are facing each other on opposite sides of the board, and that is showing up digitally as well. So now I will place another black piece. I'll just put it here. I really hope this works. Yep, so we see the third square from the right. We have another piece. And then I'll also demonstrate movement of pieces. So let's just say I move this green piece to here because it's now green's turn. So we should see it move up 3 squares from the top. Okay, so we had an issue where it's representing another. So this is represented through DACs. Or DACs are what are detecting the position of the pieces. So if we have some electrical interference, then that can cause a missed signal. And all of these inputs are also feeding into a multiplexer, so that can also cause some additional interference. But let's just move a black piece and see what happens. Okay, so that actually worked. So we saw this piece here move to here, and on the board it moved from here to here. So that's working well. And then I'll just try moving this piece back to one of these squares. Yeah, so that moved back to the top of the board. So I will, I guess, show the circuitry of the board and as well as the code. Okay, so here we're looking from the top of the board. So here is our black to move and green to move. So if I if I press that sensor or say block out light from the photoresistor, then it'll move to green to move, and then if I do it again, it'll go to black to move. So this is the bottom of the board. Right here we can see one of the DACs, which is 4-bit, and then there's 16 of those under here, and they're all feeding into Arduino, which is also connected to this breadboard, which has 2 multiplexers on it, 8-to-1. And yeah, that's basically it. And then we also have a circuit with a voltage divider for the light sensor.